Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of the Linux. So today we are going to install the Firefox. In the previous video we have uninstalled it, so today I'm going to install this Firefox from the terminal in Ubuntu. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like it. Okay, so let's get started. So you need to run this command from the terminal. So here we go with this one. So it's connecting. I guess they are finding the error with connecting. Okay, let's run the another command. Install Firefox. Next step is we need to check the Firefox version. You can see that Firefox is now available here. I need to check the Firefox version. So it's 10.5.0. So now you can see that. Okay, Google. Okay, so this is how we can install the Firefox in Ubuntu in the Linux. So any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.